Deadpool and Wolverine hit $1 billion at the box office. This is a massive milestone for this film because, one, we knew it was going to hit $1 billion. We did know it was going to hit $1 billion. The issue was we didn't know how quick this was going to hit $1 billion. We thought it might take a little bit longer than just a couple of weeks. So, it crosses $1 billion at the global box office, according to Variety. Looking at Variety, this is what they have to say on this matter. Deadpool Wolverine crosses $1 billion at the global box office and is the newest member of the $1 Billion Club. The superhero sequel starring Ryan Reynolds and Hugh Jackman as their comic book alter egos has grossed $494.3 million in North America and $535 million internationally for a grand total of $1.029 billion at the global box office. And its second weekend of release, it's the second release of 2024 following Disney's Pixar smash Inside Out 2 with $1.558 billion, which has grown to $1.593 billion. Notably, it'll overtake Joker's $1.07 billion, the only other R-rated movie to cross the coveted milestone as the highest-grossing R-rated film in history. Deadpool Wolverine has been a needed win for Disney's Marvel Cinematic Universe. The once untouchable comic book giant has now shown signs of wear and tear with recent misfires like Eternals, Ant-Man and the Wasp, Quantumania, and The Marvels. Though post-pandemic installments such as Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness at $956 million, 2022's Black Panther Wakanda Forever at $859 million, and Guardians of the Galaxy Volume 3's $846 million neared the $1 billion mark. Deadpool Wolverine is only the second MCU movie to surpass the benchmark since 2019's Marvel's Avengers Endgame and Sony's Spider-Man No Way Home, with the first with $1.9 billion in 2021. So this is big news for them. This is going to continue growing. How big does it go? How big does this film get? Well, looking at the tracking, I think this could potentially beat Inside Out 2. There's not much coming out that's going to stop this. Then again, we could see this stagnate at about maybe 1.3, 1.4, even at $1 billion. This is a profitable film. They are popping bottles over there at Marvel. They are popping bottles big time, and I absolutely love that. It is awesome. It's awesome to see that. It is there's a chance, as Sav says here, it's made over $1 billion, and I think it will make about $1.5 billion. That could easily be something that happens here. Very easily. I can see it happening. I'm not going to cook my eggs before they hatch. I'm not going to say that this hits $1 billion, well, $1.5 billion and beats Inside Out 2. It could. We'll see what happens, but I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and let me know your thoughts.